It's bad through here. This is a year later, y'all. Look at that. Like something you would see on TV, an old ghost town. Now you'll see a lot of buildings, see that? Just empty. Empty, broke down. This is the norm down here. I don't know if y'all can see in there. I mean, that building is just completely broke down over there. I'm gonna let this car get in front of me so I can follow them. Look at this. It's peaceful, but it's a weird vibe through here. Ghost town. Yeah, I didn't even know you could come through here. Cause at one time, boy, they would arrest you on spot, or ask you what you doing, where you going. Uh-oh, the little main street down here is up. Okay. Oh, there go them boys. Take this camera off. Yep. Stopping somebody, seeing what they doing. You ain't gotta worry about me. But the little main street, I guess this is what you would call it, is it's got people up here. For that little area, it boomed, I guess. This is where Chimney Rock was. Can't go up there. I hope y'all can see. I hope when I look at this, I ain't messed everything up. But yeah, look at that. Faith, hope. I mean, this is bad, y'all. It's scary too. Look at that road all the way down. Like it was real. Look at that, houses all the way messed up. Look at this, the little ticket thing all the way on its side. Look at that house over there. I don't know if y'all can see that house over there, but the whole side is torn out. All you see up here is chimneys. This is a year later, y'all. Look at that house. Y'all see that house over there? Look at that. I know my stomach keep dropping because it's like I don't never know what this road about to do now. It's crazy that they got this road this good, because about a month ago they wouldn't allow you through here, but the road was like, it had a bunch of holes in it. Look at that, man. Empty through here. Let me see, is it this? Is this the bridge? Road closed. Is this the bridge? I can't even tell. I'm following this car. I don't know where I'm going. Road closed. I don't think they know where they're going either. But we gonna go through, I think, because I gotta come through there because that's where I came from. Uh-huh. This is so confusing. Yeah, I came through there. Come on, come on. Come on, lady. So as y'all see, it's just a lot of one-way bridges, road closings, so people don't know where to go. crazy. But just the fact they got this road up is crazy too. This is Lake Lure, Chimney Rock. This is where all this good lithium is. Something going on. It's beautiful though. See the waterfall over there? All that was not there before the hurricane. Oh man, see, where am I going? I think I'm going, I don't know. Yeah, I gotta go across here. And I gotta go to the left. Look at that. Stomach dropping. Can't go up through there. Again, I keep saying this is a whole year later. Oh, somebody coming through there. The people that live through there. Y'all gotta forgive me. Like I said, I hope when I look at this, y'all ain't seeing nothing but a mirror or, you know, nothing. Dang, man, this is crazy. So I'm in the next town of Hendersonville, and then there's Arden, and then there's Asheville. You probably heard of Asheville or Biltmore. And a lot of people don't even know this is, you know, the road is back open. Because it's like pretty much a forgotten town now. There's $1 million houses got messed up, and I think, you know, they was just paying them 30,000, 30 and 40,000 when these people spend millions of dollars. Stomach turning, boy. Look at them big old boulders over there. I'm about to see some big boulders. Look at that big old rock. I don't think this phone does it justice. Both sides, man. Calling me. Why you press the pickup button. This one survived. That's crazy. That house survived. A lot of them survived. But don't y'all see, like, it's empty, man. Like, I'm pretty much on both sides of the roads trying to look at this, and it's just empty. Nobody out here. Bat cage, cave disaster area. You see people over here, they're trying to maintain. So I'm headed over here to this bridge. I'm about to my destination. Well, I'm gonna turn this off, but it's crazy, man. So about a month ago, you couldn't even make it to this part. Like I said, the police will slow you down before you could get to this road. So they would stop you right here at this bridge and tell you you'd be best to turn around, you know, not unless you live straight up through there or, you know, close. You had to show, you know, show them proof turning this way. But you couldn't make it past here a month ago. Go slow, because it's a bunch of one lanes, and yeah, it's real up through here, man. Local traffic only, like, it's real. So as y'all see, okay, I got a motorcycle behind me. Might pull over and let him in front of me. One lane, as y'all see. And the potholes were so deep in this road, man. Like, it was just drop-offs. just drop off. So they really ain't came far, but at the same time they have came far. Stomach dropping, boy. Stomach and knots. See, this is the farthest I came right there, because I had a friend stay up there and they was waiting on me at the bottom of that hill. But before that, I tried to come through there and they had stopped me like way up here. But my friend them had told me, you know, they got through there a couple times without being messed with. And well, not for safety, we'll put it like that. It ain't like they're harassing them, but they could go to the bridge without them coming from any, because they would be on like the little golf cart things. But it's beautiful, man. It's beautiful through there. Look at that house. That house beat up. You really can't tell, but it's beat up. But I'm gonna get off here. This is Chimney Rock, Lake Lure area. They got a bad. See, that used to be a bridge through there. That was a bridge. Yeah, it was real. Like Helene was real.